Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a video of testing my dog's intelligence and problem solving skills. So luckily Gunner is very food motivated, so I have like this treat puzzle thing and it like has different levels of difficulty. Like the first one you ignore these and then you move these here to like cover them, and then you just move them away. And then the second one is you put the treats here, and then you open these to move these, and then move them back to get the treat. I'm not sure if Gunner will be smart enough to do that, to be quite honest. So it might take a little bit. I might have to hide treats underneath here and here for him to actually be able to figure out the second one. But either way, we are going to test it out just to see, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave a like and subscribe, all that fun stuff, and hey, maybe share this with a friend. But yeah, so now I'm gonna just get right into the video. I just have some like random assorted small treats from Petco that I'm going to use to put in, since right now it's so cold outside. It's hard to do training, so I just want to use these treats before they go bad. But yeah. You have to wait, God. And then after that I have some soft treats that he'll get instead. Yeah, I'm not going to put these in all of them. Well, actually, you know, it's okay. He doesn't. Gunner, he's a good boy. He deserves treats once in a while. So he's very obviously watching intently. Oops. And then once I give him the okay, then he'll start doing it. I will have to stay here and hold on to it because I know he's probably going to be pushing it around and stuff. But yeah, so, okay guys, okay. Let's see if you can figure it out. Maybe he will be able to figure out the one without me having to tuck them in like the leaves and stuff. Good boy. He's getting drool. He made that one difficult for a second. Okay, good boy. Okay, you have to stop. Good boy. You have to wait. Alright, so he easily passed the first challenge. So now, time for the second challenge. I'm going to use a soft treat just because I feel like these have more smell. But yeah. If I can open it. There we go. Okay. You have to wait. Does anyone else think dog treats smell amazing? Like literally, these smell delicious and I want to eat them. Is it just me? Maybe, but... And also, I should say this is Gunner's first time using this, so he has had no practice using like this treat puzzle thing. It looks really dusty, but I think that's just like the paint on it. Also, we use this for our cat. Like this is mostly the cat's, but Gunner's never used it. The cat has, and he's what they call kind of dumb. Our cat's really dumb, and he couldn't like really figure it out. I had to baby step him through the entire process. He wanted the treats. He just simply could not figure out how to get to them. It was hilarious. Now I think I'm going to tuck some underneath the leaves just to maybe help him out a little bit. But yeah. Okay, Gunner. Okay. Alright, he's figuring it out. So trying to... Uh-oh. Round one. I don't think he's put 2 and 2 together yet. Oh, good boy. Oh, is it stuck? No, he got it. He's moving them all to the end. Good job, Gun. Good boy. I'm genuinely so impressed with him. I did not give him as much credit as I should have. He is way smarter than our cat. Like, a billion times smarter. I should make a video of our cat doing this. I'll make a video of him doing it later. Oops. Just one more. Eat it, boy. Eat it. Oh, 2 more. There we go. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it. You haven't been able to pick it up. Oh, he was doing so well. His 5-second brain forgot everything he did. He's gonna try to lift it up. Okay, listen. Okay, this one. This one. Get it. This one. Oh my goodness. Come here, this one. Get it. Get it, boy. Get it. Stop trying it. Gunner, it's still there. Is it? Yeah, it's still, Gunner, it's still there. Okay. Okay. Stop trying to move it. Just move it. I don't know why this one. He was able to do all the other ones flawlessly. But it's still crunching on it. Oh, it's because it's stuck. Okay. There we go. Gunner, yeah, you try your best. Gunner, okay. Gunner, treat. 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 Okay. Here, Gunner. Move it. Here. Here. You're the stupidest dog. Gunner, treat. Wow. Wow. That's my dog. Gunner, no. No more. No more. No more. You have to wait. Can you sit? Lay down. Well, he was doing well for a while. Until I think he got more confused with how these move and how come we couldn't pick them up. But, you know, it was good until it wasn't. Way better than our cat. In the future, if you'd like to see our cat do it, I will make a video on that. The cat's not very exciting though, because he's a cat. But, yeah, that is the video. I hope you enjoy. And I will see you in the next one. Gunner. Shake. Shake.